What's up, police? I am Holly, and today I am going to show you new events and how to get all the things of that one. So, the new event is Stranger Things Shortcut Mall. So, let's begin. Yeah, we can get badges, or we can get this all things. A shortcut badge, I already have this, so I can't show you this, and even I have this also. I don't recommend to get this because it's a very bad item. And if you want, you can get. And we can get this hat. If you'll enter, you will get this hat. Even I have this. There are new updates in it. Are characters like this. I like this character. It's my favorite. These three are my favorite. These three. And the more updates are coming afterwards. See, these are the new items. So let's begin and jump into the game and see. Stranger Things Starcourt Mall. It's loading. So guys, I have 1150 coins. You can collect the coins while doing the quests. It's loading. That's why it's little bit of laggy. You can collect the coins with the like doing tasks. These are the 4 tasks. First is ice cream delivery. Second is escape the demo dragon place. Third is darling dice. Fourth is aim the dragons. And you will get the daily task over here, and if you completed the daily task, you have to talk to Mike and it will say you have completed the daily task. I mean, so we can buy all the items from over here, from this place. Press E if you are in phone, so just press to buy something. I have owned this. You can get this backpack, this also heads accessory, and the if you want little bit of characters, you can get while if you have to press over this vendor. See, these are the characters. So if you are lazy, so you can take and buy from Robux. So now I'll show you the all the games and plays of it. So my first game is the dueling dice. It's when you'll enter, it's like a library, and if you'll go over here and if you'll play, there are 4 characters, and see, you can play with your alt account or your like opponents like this. See, and the other game is my Stranger Things Shortcut Mall. It's in cinema. Wait, I'll show you. And this is also a game. You can go and play this game and get a little bit of coins like 10, 20 and all. You have to aim over here, play, and you have to press the play, and you have to aim to the dragons, not to humans. I'll show you. Wait, see, where the like these dragons appear, you have to aim them. So it's very easy, guys. And my another game is, I told it's in cinema, so we have to walk little bit. It's straight over there. Can you see it? Wait, I'll show you there. See, for this escape from Hawk's lab, you have to go into the portal and simply just play with it. It says play Hawk's lab escape. I recommend this to play more because it gives lots of coins. And one more game, my favorite is not my favorite. My favorite is Dueling Dice, and the other game is Ice Cream Delivery game. It's downstairs or straight over there. Or can you see Scorpion, Scoops, and F1E? There is the game of Ice Cream Delivery. You will get little bits of cutscenes over here. So just simply ignore the cutscenes and play press. So you have to deliver the ice creams to the customers which are waiting over here and there. Like some are up and some are down. So thank you for watching. It's enough for today's video. I'll meet you in my next video. So for till that, please subscribe and like to my channel if you like the video. Thank you.